This budget 75% keyboard is the king of budget Thock and too good for the price. The folks at Epomaker have sent me this new Aula F75. This is a 75% keyboard that is gasket mounted, 5-pin hotswap PCB, not facing RGB LED, polycarbonate plate, great quality double chat PBT keycaps, Leobog Reaper linear switches that are nice and smooth, tri-mode connection, a nice rotary knob, and great dampening for that Thock. All of these for just $70 US. Looks wise, it's amazing, and this keyboard has been great in my daily driving as well. Here is the sound test. Stay tuned to my channel for detailed coverage and comparison with the other similar price board.